Hello friends, in this video what we are going to do is play with coupon codes. Now in any e-commerce system, one of the most important things is to make sure that the coupons are there so that the users or the customers get excited about shopping in your e-commerce website. So let's go ahead and first create the coupons, and then let's understand how to show those coupons or hide those coupons from customers at the time of checkout. So I'll go down, and first what I'll do is I'll go to my coupon code. And as I can see, there are no coupons. I'm going to add a coupon code. And let's say I'm going to say 50 off. And what I mean by that is there should be 50 rupees off, rupees 50 off on all orders. And description, I'll just keep this the same. And here is the date range. So basically this date range means that between which date till which date is this coupon valid. I can even specify the minimum billing amount before which the coupon will not be valid. So let's say I put in 1000 rupees, that below 1000 rupees this coupon will not be valid. And I'll put in this as amount 50. If I want that instead of giving 50 rupees off, if I want 50% off, then what I'll do is I'll make this into percentage and put this as 50%. And then maximum amount, let's say I put it as 500 rupees, or rather I'll put it as 1000 rupees. What this means is that we are creating a coupon in which there'll be 50% off on all orders. I'll change the name as well. I'll change the description as well. And out here, the display order is 1. But the most important thing in this video is whether you want to show this coupon at checkout or hide this coupon at checkout. Let me discuss what this means. Let me save it. By default, it is show to the customer. So when I go here and refresh my checkout, because we've said show the customers all the coupons which are available, this show available coupons will start showing up. I can show these coupons, and because there was just one valid coupon, this will come up and I'll be able to apply these coupons. I'll be able to just remove this coupon from here as well if I want. And let me refresh this. Now, if I hide this coupon, and this is again very important and very helpful at times, because I don't want to show this coupon to the customer. If I do this and save, if I go back here, as you can see that show available coupons is not showing, but I can still apply that coupon because it's a valid coupon. So I can say 50 off and apply, and the coupon will still get applied. But the difference is right now that the coupons will not be available in a list. So that's all, and we'll be discussing coupons in a very different video as well, which we'll be discussing it in detail. So see you there. Bye-bye.